A late night incident in Bengaluru has gone viral for highlighting the city's spirit of kindness and safety. Digital content creator Aishwarya Kalparjun shared her experience through a video describing how she arrived at Kempegowda International Airport and was traveling towards Kadugodi in the early hours of the morning. At around 3 a.m., she faced difficulty finding a cab for the last 3 kilometers of her journey. Despite multiple attempts, no driver was willing to accept such a short distance ride at that hour. During this time, a conductor from the Bangalore Metropolitan Transport Corporation showed concern and stayed with her, ensuring she was not left alone at the bus stop. After several failed attempts to book a ride, a driver from Rapido stepped forward and offered help. He asked her to sit and simply set the map location without discussing the fare beforehand. This act itself brought her a sense of relief in an unfamiliar situation and an odd hour. Upon safely reaching her destination, Aishwarya asked the driver about the fare. His response stood out as he said it was his responsibility to drop her safely since it was very late at night. He refused to quote a fixed amount and instead told her to pay whatever she felt was appropriate. The gesture deeply impacted Aishwarya, who said it made her feel safe and reassured in a new city. Her video quickly gained attention online, with many people praising both the BMTC conductor and the Rapido driver for their humanity and sense of responsibility. The incident has resonated widely across social media, with users highlighting how such acts of kindness reflect the true spirit of Bengaluru. Many viewers shared similar experiences, reinforcing the city's reputation as a place where people step forward to help others even in challenging situations.
The best thing happened today. So I just reached Bangalore. Airport से Kadugodi पहुंची मैं. Then I got down at Kadugodi. तो वहाँ पे when I got down, जो बस वाले भैया थे, he stayed with me till I got my cab. Unfortunately, it's 3 a.m. and I couldn't get any cab. Just for 3 kilometers. So maybe people were not accepting. But then there was this one Rapido वाले भैया जिन्होंने मुझे बोला कि he'll drop me, and I asked him कि ठीक है, how much will he charge? He's like, it's okay, you just put the map location. So I did that. It was just 3 kilometers. I got down at my location and then I asked him like, how much do I owe you? So he's like, बहुत late हो गया था तो आपको drop करना मेरी responsibility थी. I won't tell you how much to pay you. आपको जितना लगे उतना आप pay कर देना. And that made me feel so safe at 3 a.m. in a completely new city. It made me happy.